Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 5th grade concept of graphing on a coordinate plane. This is standard 5.8C in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 27 off the 2019 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have a table of ordered pairs. We've got x's and y's right here. And we simply need to find the graph that best represents these ordered pairs. Seems pretty simple, except you've probably noticed that our y's are going to be mixed numbers there. So we're going to have halves. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at all of these. And I've kind of rearranged them a little bit. B and D were down below, so I just kind of cut them and put them on the right so it's easier to see on the screen. So we're going to look at this first ordered pair first. We're going to see if we can find it on any of these graphs here. And remember, when we are looking at ordered pairs, we're looking at the x first and then the y second. And it's alphabetical order, so what we do is we always move to the right first and then we move up second, because our x-axis is horizontal, our y-axis is vertical. So our first ordered pair is going to be 1, 1.5. So let's check that on A. A has already got a problem. Take a look at A. This first x coordinate is 1.5 and the y coordinate is 1. What they did was they flipped it. So this was a trick answer. Assuming that you could not remember which order to do it, they actually flipped it, and it would be correct if you moved up first and then to the right second, but you actually moved to the right first and up second, so this is incorrect. Let's check C. We're over 1, we're up 1.5, so this is good. This is our 1, 1.5, so that's good. Let's check B. B also looks good. It's our 1, 1.5, so that's looking good. And then, yep, D follows into that same problem as A did. If you take a look, they actually flipped it. They actually did the 1.5 as your x coordinate, and then they did the 1 as your y coordinate. So we're just one ordered pair in, and we've already knocked out A and D. So let's look at our second one. So our second coordinate, xy, is going to be 2, 2.5. So let's just start with C and B here, since we know those are the two that are still kind of in the running. So we've got C, it's over 2, and it's up 2.5. So that's looking good right there. So let me just write that right here, 2, 2.5. Because it's over 2 on the x and it's up 2.5 on the y. And then, there we go, B is also good. It's 2, 2.5, because it's over 2 on the x, up 2.5, which is right there between 2 and 3 on the B. So we're good on both C and B. Let's check this third one, and it is going to be 3, 3.5. And so on our C, we've got 3, 3.5, yep, looking good. And we've got our 3, 3.5 on B, yep, we are looking good. So far, the first three coordinates are good for both of those. Let's check our fourth one. 5, oh, it kind of skips. 1, 2, 3, 5. So our fourth one is not 4, 4.5, it's 5, 5.5. So let's see what that looks like. And on C, look what C did. C does not skip. C picks up 4, 4.5. But that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for 5, 5.5. So if we look at B, we've got 5, 5.5. So B is looking good. Let's just verify this last one. 6, 6.5. So B is 6, and yep, 6.5, right there above 6, kind of goes off the scale, but we know it is above 6, is 6.5. So yeah, the only one that is correct for all of these is B, and that is our answer.